The doubter said,
The doubter said, don't
stick out. Stay in your lane. Keep it down. Keep your hopes in check. Nah, we're not having it like that. Nothing worth having is ever just handed to you. You have to earn what you want and take what you earn. We're the creators, innovators, risk takers, record breakers, story makers. Trust, we're built different.
We stand up and we stand out. Built different.
I'm the author of my story, the architect of my future. Give me an inch, I'll take a mile. POV, I'm just built different. They say ebb, we say flow. They say stop, we say go. No more status quo. We're unmatched, filled with pride. We will rise.
Because we're built different.